Marcus here. I'm just making this quick video for you. If your Frigidaire window AC unit is not cooling and you check the filters, you know everything is like working, you even try to turn it off for like, I don't know, half an hour, then plug it back in and then try to like reset it, but nothing works. Then I just found this command. Maybe it's going to be helpful. I hope it does. So this guy, if the compressor actually getting voltage at any point, can you hear the unit click at all while it's running? If so, the control is firing the relay to hit the capacitor and start the compressor, but the voltage isn't getting there for some reason. So I look at the specs and this model runs at 230V. I assume that's the standard where you are and that's what you're giving. Is it possible, since you got it used, that the previous owner had it rugged up and running at different voltage? So now I assume it was spotting out 240V, wrong assumption, 120 only. Who does that? So it was solved for the issue. So try to turn it off for like, let's say half an hour, 1 hour to see if it's going to fix the issue. Then just plug it back in. Maybe it's going to, or maybe it's going to work then. I'm just like brainstorming for the ideas, but then just check the voltage also. And then also try to like clean the filters. This is like another thing, but I'm just going to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to be completely useless and you can write in the comments why I didn't even make it. But I know that I just know how to research stuff, and sometimes when I research some good things, I just make video about it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.